And here, I like to work on those serratus muscles. I like to work on that traps here. It's a great position. Also, I can work on that scapula. So here, again, my band is always, the band is always in my pocket, whatever that size is. I put that David in his hands in this position. If a person can reach it, it's absolutely fine. And I'm already showed this many times. It's called eagle. The two thumbs together, I grab that fascia and I start rotate down this way towards the table, and I grab that scapula and try to rotate. You see my hands is straight and I rotate it.
God, it hurts. It's tight.
It's tight, okay.
It's so tight.
You see, he's a person, I always let them know if something, so go ahead, start move your arm like about exactly like you try reaching.
It's hard. It's so tight.
And he just hold, I'm just holding him and let him work.
Ah.
If he said it's tight, I come up maybe one arm
This is so tight.
and help him.
Yeah.
I can give him the band. I can give him the band to work on. Watch. Every time resistance is best. You come up here on his elbow. It's deep. It's deep. He start doing that. Yeah, whatever you feel comfortable. No. It's have to be like this. So you keep reaching this way.
Oh, I see. I'll put it here on bicep.
On the biceps, yes.
Okay.
Put on the biceps.
Okay, good.
There we go. Watch. I'm holding it. If this is roll, yeah, here we
Oh
go.
my God, it's so tight.
It's so tight, he said. You see, you try to reach it, slowly back. Grab that, here we go. Look at that. I feel that scapula is moving under my palm. If this is too much, you can come up here, watch. You see, same thing. I'm support that, come up here, never put your face towards that elbow, okay? And you doing this. You can do your forearm too, right here. You can do your forearm between the shoulder blades. This arm is get supported against my hip. Hold on, don't work so hard. Rest a little bit. So right in here, you see, now I come up and it's come from my hip. Raise this arm up, try to reach, and I'm moving around. Look at that. I feel that scapula, all this muscle, and I'm moving around. Yes, I can feel that. Let it go. This is one technique. Another technique, it's also mobility of that area. Here, you can stay on the side.
Okay.
Another one, it's very cool one. I also, if his left arm is up, my left arm, I'm gonna use my left arm. So same side was the client up. Come up here, cross, two elbow. You see, his elbow on my elbow.
It's hard to externally rotate.
For you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what I'm gonna go right here, and you see, this is what I'm doing. I'm start doing rotation. Also, this is the tuning fork. I come up here, and I'm holding that shoulder. You're gonna see on this camera, and I'm start doing this rotation. Yeah, very gently. I help him to rotate. Also, he can grab behind his head. Make sure it's a neutral. He's in one line. Let me make sure you can see it. Here, one arm is come up here. Another one, I grab it right here and I start doing this. You see, this arm is coming away and that towards. So I kind of squeeze that body and open that pecs. Push that elbow forward. He's doing his resist me and push this elbow forward towards the wall and let it go, and I start doing that. Get that scapula. Push again forward. Let it go. See, I feel comfortable. And let it go. Moving around. Also, my favorite one, let it go because I'm try to control in cameras and everything at the same time. Okay, you come up here. Yeah, I think it's not the best one.
Not good.
No, it's not the best vision for the camera because I'm more.
Should I,
No, you're good.
okay.
So come up here. This arm is coming on my shoulder, the left shoulder. I come up here. I grab that shoulder and I start doing this. If he's come out, I come up here between my armpit and I start doing this. Pull. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at how I move that shoulder. You can do all
That feels good.
type of manipulation. Exactly. See, I'm rotated. Up and down. Ooh, another one. Trapezius. Yes. Love work on trapezius. Neck. Everything is up here. So I get this arm. Pull it down. You see, pull down that arm, whole shoulder. This everything comes up. I start working on that traps. And I go all behind. If I'm tired, I'm going to switch for the camera purpose. But like I said, find that perfect position. Your dominate hand, dominate arm, and you will save your hands. You save your body. And we work longer. So you see, I'm just enjoying up here. Everything is straight. And I'm go all the way down. Working on my favorite one, work on that C7T1. Find that T7T1. I grab it like a tuning fork. Find that lamina and T7T1, you see on that one. I grab that head and I start moving, tuck the chin and work on this area. Can you like show a little bit more on camera? Like, rotate your torso.
Oh.
Here we go. Now you can see the more space. And I doing this. See, I'm use my body. I'm rotate my body. This hand is come. You can do a rotation. You can resist you. And many technique. Many technique we can use. Let's flip face up. Continue work on that left shoulder. It's my favorite one. I grab it. I grab this arm on the armpit. See, completely control it. Grab that humeral bone. If the person, the bigger, I grab both arm. Smaller, that's fine. So, and I do this rotation. See what I'm doing? This one is straight down, and I use my body weight. And that arm, let's try to rotate it. I can do that kind of motion. Lean. See, and this is the movements. I lift my fingers up, push with my palm with this location, and that's on the pecs. Woman, man, it doesn't matter. The draping is supposed to be like that. The bigger, if lady have a big boobs, you can just kind of scoop it down and work that way. But the hands is going to be straight down. That's what the solution is. If you're going to be like that, you're going to grab that boobie, and it's not going to be pleasant for the client. So it's always pushing down, not this way. It's down. Also, that humeral bone, mobilization of the hip. I don't know. I put this staff inside it, and this kind of, you see, uncomfortable for the clients. He can reach that. So make sure it's nothing round. You see, I forgot to take this off. I lock it in, and I'm start doing this. You're gonna see on that camera. So I push that bone in. See, with the weight, I grab the bone, push in, It's in a socket. And all I do is start rotate. I'm gonna do step forward. You see, I do lunge. Do I work hard? No, I'm not. And let it go. You can grab the wrist. Same thing. Lift it up. Ask him to do bench press. Ask him to do bench press. And push that pecs at the same time. Shoulder stability. We can do stabilize that with the ball, which is, we don't know where they go.
Oh, they're a little bit.
Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah. It's very interesting when people interrupt you completely like lost. Here we go. Lift it up under the scapula. And you can start doing that. Ask him to rotate, rotate, rotate. Go on yourself, on your own. Go. Here we go. You see what he's doing? He's kind of like that swimming. And I help him out. Do you feel that muscle in the back?
Yeah.
Good. It's all about his sensation. What the client experienced right now. This ball is a little bit kind of bigger one. Like that. Here we go. Perfect. Let it go. Like I said, many position. Bands. Yes. Bands too. He can do the driver. He can do no money drill. So he can be up here and start doing that. Rotate. You see his band is loaded. And I'll come up here and hold it down. Yes. And this way. I can come up here, work on that shoulder. He's doing exercise. I also teach him how to push that scapula down against the floor. Your arms is like this, but you push down. Exactly. You see, I want him to push that scapula down. He's going to feel that scapula right there. Stretch, push down, stretch. That's the idea. He can do diagonally this way. You can work. You can sit and work on his muscle to grab. That muscle is right in here. You can grab, squeeze that arm under the body and work at the same time. Look. Don't okay, let it go. Let me get that hands first. Now go ahead. What do you feel? You feel my hands under your scapula? You feel your muscle now? Exactly. I show him which muscle is weak. How does everything work? And he will feel it. The left one is actually not that, you feel that strong right one? And left is not like moving that much.
Yeah.
It's not stronger, but that's fine. I always stay away like this. So the clients, I'm not breathe on client, especially when I talk, I don't want to spit on client. Okay, next one, no money drill. You okay? Here we go, right here. Come up here, elbow down. You see elbow on the floor. And all he's doing this. Watch. He's doing that. He's opening this up. What I'm doing at the same time, I can stay here. You can grab it if you want.
Okay.
Grab.
Yeah. I got it.
It's all different position. Here we go. He was already known. We're doing this. You see, I'm doing here. Watch me. Look at that. You feel that? Amazing. I feel all pecs. Everything is like moving. Here we go. Look at that. I can come up. I can do cross. Is that tired? Yeah. So he's tired. You see. You can do single one side. You can stay here on the same side. Yeah. You can do this. There we go. Look at that. And look at that distance now between his shoulder. It's also good test when person lay down. If this shoulder is too high from table, yes, he got that rotation of the shoulder. He's not that bad, but something is limited. We already know it's a thoracic spine.
Yeah.
What else we can do? We can do another neck exercise, neck treatment, of course. What else? I mean, it's just a bunch of stuff. So we're just gonna go over again and again and again until you guys learn, till you start using in your practice and truly help people, truly get that mobility, stability. It's not just mobility. I give them exercise with walk with the bands, or maybe some light kettlebell pushing, like I brush the hair with the band, brush the hair with the little weights, like 5 pounds. He's gonna brushing that hair. What else we can do? He can do all different type of exercise. We're not gonna show you exercise this time because we show him in a different video. But you guys go ahead, practice. If you have any questions, ask on our Patreon channel, on our YouTube. It's already a YouTube membership, which is $3.99. You can be in this class with us together, ask those questions. Now we have a chat, so you can chat, you can do sticker, you can do send the video links, everything. It's everything been set up to create that class and make the classes more productive for you, to become better professional therapists, to become more beneficial for people. You guys enjoy your day. We'll see you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.